Let's start off with how to take care of your camera, though. There are a few things that you should be aware of. Of course, you don't want to drop them. They are precision instruments. You can feel perfectly comfortable putting them on the airline x-ray machine. They aren't like film that are going to be affected by those x-rays. But what you do want to be careful of is keeping these cameras away from magnetic fields. And what do I mean by that? I specifically mean magnets. So let's say you're at a street fair and somebody hands you a refrigerator magnet. You would not want to put that refrigerator magnet in your camera bag, especially near those cards that hold the memory. If you store your camera for any length of time, you probably don't want its main storage space to be right on top of the TV or right on top of the radio, because they do emit magnetic waves. So that's what I mean by keeping it away from magnetic fields. The other thing that you might want to pay attention to is that these cameras, the monitor on the back, which is called an LCD screen, which stands for liquid crystal display. So it is actually some sort of liquid, and I can't explain exactly the technology to you, but do understand that that is some kind of liquid back there, and it is affected by extreme temperatures. So extreme cold weather, let's say like what's happening in the East Coast right now, if you took your camera out, it is possible that that LCD screen will start slowing down and freezing up. It won't display correctly. In those cases, if you're trying to take pictures, use your viewfinder if you have one. In all cases, what you want to try to do is get that LCD monitor or that camera out of that extreme cold and into room temperature. And when you do, the liquid crystal display should return to normal. Now, extreme heat will also affect this display as well. And I'm talking about a sunny summer afternoon, car windows rolled up, camera in the glove compartment kind of extreme heat. Now, when you do have that kind of extreme heat, it is possible that this LCD monitor will completely blacken. In other words, you won't see an image. Again, if you can return the camera to normal room temperature, it should return to functioning condition. But I did want you to be aware of these extreme conditions. You should be okay for most everything that you shoot, but there are those possibilities that will happen, and just keep that in the back of your mind.